Yes, today I want to talk to the farmers, especially those who are keeping cattle, whatever you call it in Tanzania, we say cattle, and it's ng'ombe or mbuzi or cows. So together we are going to see how to preserve this kind of green grasses, and then you're going to mix it with molasses, whatever you call it, but it's the remnant, or be it the byproducts of sugarcane, of sugarcane. When you are in the fabrics, when they are preparing sugar, normally there are byproducts that are not used, or bit they are not useful for any humans for consumption, and this one is called the molasses. I know also you can get the other byproducts which are used in the bitumen issues to construct roads, but today I want to show you the other uses of the byproducts called molasses, where you come to mix with the grasses, fresh grasses, and then you preserve it for even a year or two in a plastic bag. So here we are going to cut down the grasses into pieces by using this machine. It's called the grass chopper, and you can see also, compare to my former video, the other video I post in the same channel about how to cut the grasses. So I won't be deep in this, but I want to show you this. This is the molasses. It comes in this 20-liter gallon, and it's leftover, or bit the byproducts of the sugarcane from the industry, molasses. So guys, this product is very important because even cow like it. When you give, even when you put it into grasses, and after time when you come to feed your cow, then it becomes very easy for it to eat and to masticate. So this molasses is very tough thing. So you have to dilute it with water, plenty of water. You see. So after diluting, then you take that diluted molasses, and then you mix it with your grasses that is already ready for a cow. You see, as it is passed through this machine, this chopper. So now you make sure that every drop enters to each part of the grasses so that it can stay longer. So you need to have a good manwork to ensure that it touches every part of the grass before it is conserved. So this is how we do. It's better to use this cane to irrigate the molasses so that it comes slowly, it drops slowly, but it touches every part of the products of the grasses. Yeah, and now when you finish mixing, then you put it in plastic bags, as you will see here. You pick the grass that is already mixed with the molasses after being chopped, and then you put into this plastic bag, and then here you have to squeeze it, you have to compress it so that it stays. First of all, you economize the uses of the plastic bag, and also the space to conserve or to put the to store the grasses. So you put it into these plastic bags, and you make sure that the bags should be airtight so that no air can enter. And then you continue to press it, and when it's okay,
tabu zetu ni nyingi zinazokatisha tamaa.
So this is still green, as you can see, but it's only mixed with the molasses, and then it's ready to undergo the process of fermentation, kind of, and then it will be preserved for about a year. That means even the time of drought, still you can have the grasses for your cow, for your cattle, and then you continue to serve it. So after a week or 2 or 3, then it changes into brown, a bit brownish like this, and this can stay ever without any problem. It can stay even a year or 2 in this state, conserved and within these plastic bags. So the animals normally like to eat when it's in this stage. You see, it has a little smell of alcohol, because also it has undergone fermentation, but also it's something like here in Nyeri, the Comoratina is one of the local beverages that produced in this area. So I can feel the smell of these glasses, like this kind of alcohol is alcohol from fruits fermented, and this one is the same smell. So thank you for watching, and be sure if next time I'll give you an episode about biogas, and also don't forget to watch my video about how to construct this house, this rabbit house. I've already posted about a month ago, and so many more. So thank you for your time, and welcome again.
Umekuwa mwamba wangu, msaada wakati wa shida, umenifanyia njia pasipo njia, Bwana nakusifu. Usingekuwa msaada wako, ningeweza vipi? Najua yote ni huruma zako.